Question number 1. Which team won the trophy in IPL 2020? Option A, Chennai Super Kings. Option B, Gujarat Titans. Option C, Mumbai Indians. Option D, Lucknow Super Giants. And your time starts now. Option C, Mumbai Indians is the correct answer. Question number 2. Who was the captain of Mumbai Indians in IPL 2020? Option A, Hardik Pandya. Option B, Rohit Sharma. Option C, Surya Kumar Yadav. Option D, Arjun Tendulkar. And your time starts now. Option B, Rohit Sharma is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which team won the trophy in IPL 2021? Option A, Gujarat Titans. Option B, Kolkata Knight Riders. Option C, Delhi Capitals. Option D, Chennai Super Kings. Your time starts now. Option D, Chennai Super Kings is the correct answer. Question number 4. Who was the captain of Chennai Super Kings in IPL 2022? Option A, Ruturaj Gaikwad. Option B, MS Dhoni. Option C, Rahul Tripathi. Option D, Vijay Shankar. And your time starts now. Option B, MS Dhoni is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which team won the trophy in IPL 2022? Option A, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Option B, Delhi Capitals. Option C, Gujarat Titans. Option D, Rajasthan Royals. And your time starts now. Option B, Gujarat Titans is the correct answer. Question number 6. Who was the captain of Gujarat Titans in IPL 2022? Option A, Hardik Pandya. Option B, Shubman Gill. Option C, Shreyas Iyer. Option D, Sai Kishore. And your time starts now. Option A, Hardik Pandya is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which team won the trophy in IPL 2023? Option A, Lucknow Super Giants. Option B, Punjab Kings. Option C, Chennai Super Kings. Option D, Gujarat Titans. And your time starts now. Option C, Chennai Super Kings is the correct answer. Question number 8. Who was the captain of Chennai Super Kings in IPL 2023? Option A, MS Dhoni. Option B, Vijay Shankar. Option C, Ruturaj Gaikwad. Option D, Rahul Tripathi. And your time starts now. Option A, MS Dhoni is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which team won the trophy in IPL 2024? Option A, Rajasthan Royals. Option B, Mumbai Indians. Option C, Kolkata Knight Riders. Option D, Delhi Capitals. And your time starts now. Option B, Kolkata Knight Riders is the correct answer. Question number 10. Who was the captain of Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL 2024? Option A, Shreyas Iyer. Option B, Manish Pandey. Option C, Venkatesh Iyer. Option D, Harshit Rana. And your time starts now. Option A, Shreyas Iyer is the correct answer. Number 11. Who was the winning captain of IPL 2022? Option A. Ruturaj Gaikwad. Option B. Shubman Gill. Option C. Rohit Sharma. Option D. Hardik Pandya. And your time starts now. Option D. Hardik Pandya is the correct answer. Question number 12. Who scored more runs in the IPL 2023? Option A. Shubman Gill. Option B. Sai Kishore. Option C. MS Dhoni. Option D. Virat Kohli. And your time starts now. Option A. Shubman Gill is the correct answer. Question number 13. Who is your favorite cricketer in IPL 2025? Option A. Ruturaj Gaikwad. Option B. Hardik Pandya. Option C. Virat Kohli. Option D. Rohit Sharma. And your time starts now. Question number 14. How many IPL trophies has MS Dhoni won as captain? Option A 2, Option B 3, Option C 4, Option D 5. Option D 5 is the correct answer. Question number 15. Which team won the more IPL trophies till 2024? Option A. Chennai Super Kings. Option B. Gujarat Titans. Option C. Mumbai Indians. Option D. Lucknow Super Giants. And your time starts now. Option C. Mumbai Indians is the correct answer.